how to unrepost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can unrepost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To unrepost on TikTok, first of all you have to locate the reposted video. So let's say you happen to went ahead and then just reposted a certain video over here, right? Now you simply swipe through many videos over here and then you don't find that video. Now what do you do if you want to basically unrepost it? Well, to unrepost it, you want to simply tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Then you'll find this infinity loop icon right in between your profile. So you can select that infinity loop icon and here you'll see videos that you have reposted. So you can select that particular video, tap the share icon as you did to repost, and then you can see remove repost. So now you can tap on remove repost, and then you can also repeat the process for other videos that you might have reposted. This way you can go ahead and then basically unrepost on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.